1.5b 1. 6 plus 6 equals. I know 6 plus 6 is a doubles fact, so that's 12. If you want to use counters, manipulatives, fingers, toes, you can use anything you need to help you. 10 minus 3 equals. Well, I know 3 and 7 make a 10, so 10 minus 3 must be 7. Again, feel free to use manipulatives, counters, your fingers, whatever is going to help you out. Here's 8 plus 4 equals. Well, I know if I decompose my 4 into 2 and 2, 8 plus 2 is 10. So I've made my 10 and 2 more, which is 12. What shape is a square? Okay, well, I see this has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but it does not have all sides the same length. So this is not a square. This does not have 4 sides and 4 vertices. This does have 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 4 square corners, and all the sides are the same length. This has 3 sides and 3 vertices, so I know this is the only square. Cameron's favorite show comes on at 1 o'clock. Which clock shows the time Cameron's show comes on? So I'm going to look at my clocks, and I know I'm looking for 1 o'clock, so my minute hand is going to be on the 12, and my hour hand is going to be on the 1. So on this clock, I see the short hour hand on the 1 and the minute on the 12, so that is 1 o'clock. For this one, I see it is 3 o'clock because the hour hand is pointing to the 3. For this one, I see both the minute and the hour hand are at the 12, and for this one, I see the hour hand is at the 7. Number 4, draw 3 ways the number 50 can be represented. So I could represent the number 50 with 5 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I could represent it as 50 plus 0. I could represent it with 4 groups of 10 and 10 leftovers. I could represent it in standard form as 50. I could use a place value chart to represent 5 10s and 0 1s. These are all different ways to represent the number 50. This is not the only ways you can represent the number 50. Draw 3 circles, draw 2 hearts inside of each circle. So what I want to do is I want to draw 3 circles, 1, 2, 3. Then it wants me to draw 2 hearts in each circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Skip count by 2s to determine the total number of hearts. Write the numbers below. So I have 2, 2 and 2 is 4, 2, 4 and 2 more is 6, 2, 4, 6. Draw 5 squares, draw 5 happy faces in each square. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now they want me to skip count by 5s to determine the total number of happy faces. Write the numbers below. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Each box below has 10 markers. How many markers are in the set below? So we're going to count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Skip count by 5s to determine the total number of fingers in the set below. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. There are 120 fingers in the set below. Notice I'm writing the word fingers. Whenever possible, you do want to label so people know what you're counting.